Welcome to a space where ideas spark curiosity, questions ignite answers, and inspiration transforms lives. This is Mind Alchemy, your destination for unlocking potential in everyday life. Let us now see how we can use generative AI to automate the path of our career advancement. Resume optimization. Help me create a software engineer-specific resume by highlighting my skills in Python, machine learning, and cloud computing. Outcome. The outcome is providing you with a resume tailored to emphasize key skills like Python, machine learning, and cloud computing, making it stand out to recruiters looking for candidates in AI and cloud computing fields. Cover letter crafting. Write a compelling cover letter for a marketing manager at XYZ Corp, focusing on my experience in digital marketing campaigns and brand strategy. Outcome. The cover letter will be engaging and focused, showcasing your digital marketing expertise and aligning it with the needs of XYZ Corp, greatly improving the chances of securing an interview. Interview preparation. Generate a list of common interview questions for a data analyst at Tech Innovations and suggest strong answers based on my experience in data visualization and statistical modeling. Outcome. And here are your responses. You'll be prepared for any data analysis interview with tailored answers that showcase your expertise in data visualization, statistical modeling, and problem-solving skills. Networking outreach. Draft a message I can send to healthcare professionals on LinkedIn to inquire about opportunities in healthcare administration. Outcome. As you see, a professional, respectful, and compelling LinkedIn message is getting crafted, making it easier for you to connect with key professionals in healthcare administration and explore job opportunities. Job description. Analysis. Analyze this job description, project manager at Tech Innovations, and suggest key skills I should highlight in my application for a project manager role. Outcome. The outcome breaks the job description for you. By breaking down the job description, you'll identify the most relevant skills and responsibilities to highlight, ensuring your resume and cover letter align perfectly with the employer's needs. LinkedIn profile optimization. Suggest improvements to my LinkedIn profile to make it more attractive for recruiters looking for a product designer in the tech industry. Outcome. The outcome will suggest you with necessary elements essential to enhance your LinkedIn profile with a compelling headline, design project showcases, and optimized keywords that attract the attention of recruiters in the tech design field. Salary negotiation strategy. How can I negotiate a higher salary for a senior accountant at ABC Financials, considering my experience in financial analysis and budgeting? Outcome. The outcome provides you a roadmap to get equipped with strategies to confidently approach salary negotiations, emphasizing your expertise and unique value to the company, positioning you for a higher offer. Personal branding. Help me create a personal brand statement that will resonate with recruiters for a cybersecurity specialist in the IT industry. Outcome. Here you go, with a powerful personal brand statement crafted to highlight your cybersecurity skills, making you stand out from other candidates and capturing the attention of recruiters in IT. Job search strategy. What job search strategies should I use to find a marketing executive job in New York City within the next 3 months? Outcome. In the blink of an eye, a strategic and actionable job search plan will be created, focusing on networking, targeted job boards, and specific approaches to stand out in the competitive New York job market. Skill development. What are the essential skills for a business analyst in the financial services industry, and how can I quickly learn them? Outcome. You'll gain clarity on the key skills required in business analysis within the financial services industry, along with actionable steps and resources to acquire them efficiently. Hope you will apply these prompts tailored to your specific needs to move ahead with your career goals. Try all these in Gemini as well. All the best. If you found this tutorial helpful, like this video, subscribe for more AI tips, and share it with a friend. Check the description for links to our Udemy course for automating your daily tasks with generative AI, and I'll see you in the next video.